I may have cleaned out my phone enough. Get a few shots, a few clips of me shampooing carpet. I got my Bissell um, carpet shampooer. It's actually no longer mine. I gave it to Donna, but I borrowed it from Donna so that I can use it and then give it back to her. So here I am in Richard's master bedroom, and I started, of course, up there. And, finishing up this shake I forgot I had and left it out. And I'm gonna go ahead and grab over Hot Quick Sunday. Put that there. Let it melt a little bit. Go back. I'm gonna put this back on self-type mode and see if I can get some of the action live, so to speak. Without dropping it. it off. Dropped my phone right over there on the kind of damp carpet. But the top clean water container is about empty. It's about empty, so one full container did almost the whole room. Almost the whole room. There's the dirty water. I don't know if I'm going to run it a second time, but probably, because I want to do deep cleaning. So now I need to shut this off and clean my machine, clean my brushes. It's been so long since I've taken these apart. Okay, pull to remove nozzle. That's when you have the nozzle pushed down in there for, I haven't even used that part. But I have taken these covers off here. Gotta figure out how. Again, it's been so long. Hose, hood. Okay, so anyway, first things first. Empty and get rid of the dirty water. And then we will refill. I'm gonna throw this outside. It's so dirty. Put it outside. No, baby, you staying inside. I'm tempted to pour it right through the slats under here. Anyway, yeah, it's hot out here. Okay, so we're gonna dump out this dirty water and refill the clean bottle with another dose. I only got one more small. I'm doing the big room first, and almost done with it, and then I'll do the little one. I'll be back. Thanks for watching. Over and out. I'll be back, God willing. Stay safe out there. Stay blessed. Blessings. Thank you for your prayers. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your support. I love you.